Hi, this is Misachin. I have chosen the material for my first assignment for ECE 6011. I decided to go with paper, concentrating on the idea of mobility. Beyond its conventional usage as a medium for writing and reading, paper has many other uses. This assignment forced me to use my imagination and adopt fresh ways of thinking. I choose to interact with and alter a variety of paper materials, including an A4 sheets of paper, colored paper, and newspapers. As per Pacini, Cachabo, and Kind and Kocher, paper is employed to fabricate objects and conduct experiments with different actions to achieve a specific result, such as creating an item. When we work on paper, we follow a pattern and take repetitive steps such that guide us from one stage to the next. I can't wait to try them all out because each paper has a different weight and texture. I used a newspaper to construct an extended cylindrical construction for a paper experiment. During this procedure, I noticed that looking through one end of the construction produces a feeling like looking through a telescope at objects. After that, I blow out one end of the pipe and lay a piece of paper on other end. This paper flutters because of the airflow going through the paper pipe. After that, I started tearing the paper, which made a loud noise. I can still clearly remember as a child using a torn notebook sheet to create a homemade paper fan so that I stay cool. This sparked my interest in creative and innovative uses of paper. In my early years, I came to understand that playing with various objects may help me discover their core potential. I started by folding a sheet of paper again and again in the same way until paper gets smaller. Then I open it. I see a lot of lines outside. As per Pelo, a human being is capable of thinking, feeling, seeing, associating, and expressing themselves artistically in addition to engaging in cognitive process and mental imaginary. In the field of art, we investigate the characteristics of certain materials. We touch it to feel its textures, see how it moves on paper, and learn about its form maintaining capabilities. The effects of cutting paper in different ways intrigue me. This might potentially lengthen when the action is carried out, I found out. Then I crumbled the paper and threw it into the air, catching it again with such skill that I imagine it to be a ball. In addition, I experimented by dropping standard paper and crumbled paper for a considerable height. Remarkably, both pieces of paper hit the ground at the same time. The crumbled paper, however, only traveled a longer distance than usual paper when I threw them horizontally. I set up an experiment where I submerged paper in a bowl of water to observe how it responded. I found out that, in contrast to dry paper, which makes noise when it torn, it could absorb water, becoming a supple and readily torn without making any noise. Thank you for watching the video.